what is it that we are building when it comes to commercial lending at Uptiq?
So if you look at the traditional applications which we have, right, in the commercial lending, from that, how it differentiates us is our commercial lending solution is fully fueled by the AI agents. Now the question comes, what is the difference in AI agents versus the traditional systems? Traditional systems never gave you a reasoning power. Now when real underwriters, human underwriters are underwriting the commercial loan originations applications, right, they will have the co-pilots, they will have the AI agentic power to make faster decisions, more consistent decisions. Like if you take a very simple example, financial statements, they used to do all the entries manually. It used to take days for them. Now the AI agent, when receives the loan packet, documents, automatically parses the data, fully ingests the data, creates a complete financial spread according to your template, keep it ready for the human to review. So the human's job is to just ensure whether it's correct, do the actual financial analysis which they are supposed to mainly do. So the logistical part of it is completely taken care by the AI agents. Now, because the system is fueled by AI agents, you can pass in your bank policies also to the system. So the AI agents are capable of understanding those, then deciding what needs to be done and accordingly create that dynamic flow. That's a very major difference from the traditional systems and what we are trying to build.
Why is Uptiq's platform different from all these horizontal LLMs which are out there?
Yeah, I think we need to look at the fundamental of, or actually the generative AI term is being used widely but also loosely, meaning LLM integration is not an AI agent. So if you have a simple code, does the LLM integration, it doesn't mean it's an AI agent. It can be treated as an agentic workflow. That's why you see a lot of visual workflow builder systems now having a capability of large language models. But if you think of it, those are still deterministic workflows. Tomorrow, if you pass the credit policy of the bank, still you will have to go and change the workflows to adapt to it. But AI agent needs to reason. AI agent simply needs to have a skill, and based on the input coming to it, it needs to decide what skill to use to produce the right output. That's very functional part of it. Now what we do different is our core platform, Uptiq's core platform, helps you build these AI agents in a very secure plus expedited way. So you can build your AI agents on our platform in just minutes. Versus if you compare that with widely available open source libraries or frameworks, it will take days for you to create an actual production quality agent. Because production quality AI agent is just not functionally making sure it does what it's supposed to do. Additionally, the non-functional part of it, where the explainability, the observability of the AI agent, the overall security, plus the compliance part, all these things also the AI agent needs to take care of. So if you think of a journey to build an AI agent, you can't just build an AI agent which does the financial spread. You need to also build an AI agent who gives you that auditability, who ensures that the compliance policies are, taken care of in the consideration when you're building it. So all that reasoning capability is the AI agent. And then this core platform helps you build that faster. Otherwise, your journey is in months versus days on building an AI agent.
How can Uptiq actually make sure that we have the best system out there or the best agentic platform out there?
If you go in the history and look at the traditionally how the banking solutions for the credit unions were evolving, first is banking, lending, this domain is a compliance heavy. You cannot break the compliance. Second is because of the compliance of regulators, your policies are changing. So when the policies change, the change required in your system and the time which it takes to make that change is also huge.
Got it.
So one-fold answer, or the first aspect of it, you get the very faster change when you have the agentic backed commercial LOS system or any loan origination system. That is one. Second part is I think everyone is trying to build the AI agents to solve their problems. But if you look at the non-functional aspect of it, yeah, you'll be able to probably build the faster workflows to increase the underwriters' productivity in-house in a quick way. But then to get that 99% accuracy, your AI agent needs to produce an evidence that it has not taken the decision in an unbiased way.
Got it.
It had followed all the credit policies. It has followed all the compliance rules, producing the evidence. That non-functional aspect, again, you will have to build in your in-house framework.
Got it.
That is the part we heavy lift. So when banks would come to us for the turnkey solutions which we have built on this platform, functional and non-functional aspect, both are taken care.
Got it.
That is the main difference I am seeing right now.
Can you talk about some results that you have witnessed or seen?
Two main examples I have seen. One is a financial spreading or analysis, and second is credit memo generation. Credit memo generation is one of the important milestone in the overall origination cycle, right? It used to take sometimes days or sometimes weeks for the large commercial applications. Two aspects to it. One is the data collection analysis, and then again writing the credit memo itself is a huge task for the underwriter. You sometimes have to write like 50 or 100 pages of credit memos, right? Now, if you look at the agentic solution to it, anyway, the different agents are collecting the data, analyzing it, putting it to the human to review it, like a maker-checker process kind of a thing. And when you go to the credit memo generation phase, the 100-page credit memo is already ready for you.
Got it.
Right, to review. Now, the important part there is lot of narratives which underwriters used to write by hand on the given data. With the help of AI, that is already available to you to read out whether it makes sense or not, change it, and fine tune it. So the credit memo generation process for the commercials or the retail bank lending, from days, it can literally come down to hours if done rightly. Plus, second point in the overall, the two parts which I have said, the financial analysis. Financial documents data entering into the spreading which they use or the financial models which they use. That extraction transformation part was never done 100% accurately or in a faster way before the overall generative AI rise. With the AI agents, we can do it much more faster. So with the 4 days of analysis readiness, we can bring it to literally hours or in a day for that matter.
Got it.
Two major aspects, I feel.
Great. So I think we've got most of the questions covered. Thank you so much for your time today. And if you're looking for the best platform out there for banks and credit unions when it comes to underwriting, credit memo generation, or simply spreads, right, you can definitely reach out to us at Uptiq and we'd be happy to help. Thank you so much.